Okay, so our today's topic is chapter 9 mensuration. We have already done two topics based on it, like cube and cuboid. But today's topic is little bit different. Okay, so first let me show you some pictures and you people will guess what is our topic today. Okay, so first see some pictures. That is image 1. You start guessing. You people start guessing what will be our topic today. That is image 2. Can you guess? So that is our topic. What is that? Cylinder. So in mathematics we called it as right circular cylinder. Okay. The structure is like this. Right circular cylinder. Why it is called right circular cylinder? You look at the base. What is the shape? Circle. Next, come to the next diagram. It will be clear for you. Look, the base is circular, and if I draw a line from here, it makes a 90-degree angle here. So 90-degree means which angle? Right angle. So that's why it is called a right circular cylinder. Okay. Except that we have another cylinder also, that is maybe oblique cylinder. Okay. Why it is oblique? You can see that it is not making any perpendicular line. It is not 90-degree. That's why it is called oblique cylinder. So we have two types of cylinder, either it is right circular or it is oblique. Our topic is right circular cylinder. Clear? Now, what are the parts of a cylinder has? Can you say how many parts a cylinder has? How many parts will be there? Okay, let's discuss. First, can you say that it has a curved surface? It has a curved surface, except it two circles are there. Very good. Except it, we have two different circles are there. Okay. So the parts are, we have a curved surface, isn't it? We have two circles. Now, if I open this curved surface, what I will get? A rectangle. Or conversely, if I say, if I fold a rectangle, I will get a curved surface of cylinder, like this one. Suppose I have a rectangular sheet, I have a rectangular page. What I have done, I just folded it like this way. So it becomes a cylinder. Now, my question is, how to find the curved surface area of this cylinder? How to find whenever it is a curved surface and whenever I am forming it from a rectangular sheet, that means definitely it will have a curved surface area. So my question is how to find this curved surface area. Right. Write in your copy, curved surface area of cylinder. Curved surface area of cylinder. Give the heading. So first, what I have taken? A rectangular sheet. So we will start from the rectangle. So suppose we have a rectangle whose length, you consider the length as L and the breadth as B. So draw a rectangle first. Write down the length as L, mark the length as L, okay, and the breadth as B, like this. Suppose we have a rectangle, we have folded it, okay, marked, done. So first tell me, what is the area of this rectangle? L into B. Now whenever I am folding this one, the length becomes what? The length becomes what? Circumference. So what is the circumference of what? Circle. So what is the circumference of a circle? 2 pi r. Again when I am folding this, the breadth means this one becomes what? Height. That means we can consider this one as h. Okay. So when you have written that area of rectangle is L into B, just below the L, can I write that L becomes 2 pi r? L becomes 2 pi r. So just below the L, write 2 pi r. Okay, and the breadth becomes what? H. So into H, right, into H, done. So 2 pi r into H, that means 2 pi r H, that is the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder. So right, curved surface area of right circular cylinder equals to 2 pi r H. Curved surface area of a right circular cylinder equals to 2 pi r H square unit. If the question is in meter, you can give square meter, centimeter, then square centimeter. Done. Any problem, any doubt, you can ask. Okay. Okay. So you can see here also. So first we have a cylinder, or first we have a rectangle. We have folded it. The length becomes 2 pi r. Whenever I have folded it, the length becomes the circumference, that is 2 pi r, and the breadth becomes the height. So 2 pi r into h, that is 2 pi r h square unit, either square meter or square centimeter, that will be the unit. Okay. Now, whenever I have said which type of cylinder is this hollow or solid? Hollow. But sometimes we may have some solid cylinder also, like this one. Like this one. So except this curved surface, do we have any another type of surface? Huh? Two circles. So have I considered these two circles here? So if I consider these two circles now, what type of surface area we will get? Total surface area. So something we have not done previously. So we have done the curved surface area only, means this curved part. Now we are taking these two circles also along with the curved part, and we will get the total surface area of the cylinder. So next our topic is total surface area of cylinder. Right? Right, total surface area of cylinder. So while finding the total surface area along with this curved surface, what are the extra things we are calculating? Area of these two circles. What are the extra things we are calculating? Area of these two circles. So what is the area of this circle? If I consider the radius as r, so what will be the area of this circular face? Pi r square. This one also pi r square. So, and what was the curved surface area of the cylinder? So can I say that total surface area is 2 pi r h plus pi r square plus pi r square? Isn't it? So right, total surface area equals to curved surface area plus total surface area equals to curved surface area plus area of two circular faces. Area of two circular faces equals to, so what is the curved surface area? 2 pi r h. Surface area of one circle is pi r square. So 2 circle becomes 2 pi r square. So 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square, right? 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. Okay. Now what we can take common from these two terms? 2 pi r. So what will be left in bracket? Right. So if take 2 pi r as common, and in bracket it will be h plus r. Unit will be square centimeter, square meter, whatever is given in the question. Understand? Anybody, any doubt? Clear? Now based on this topic, means based on the curved surface area or total surface area, let's do some questions. Okay, it will be clear for you that how it works actually, right? Right. Acha, one more thing, that curved surface area is also termed as lateral surface area. Curved surface area, that is also termed as lateral surface area. Okay, both are same. Curved surface area and lateral surface area termed as same, right? The lateral surface area of a hollow cylinder is 4224 centimeter square. It is cut along its height and formed a rectangular sheet of width 33 centimeter. Okay, find the perimeter of the rectangular sheet. Find the perimeter of the rectangular sheet. So what is given in the question? Firstly, what is given in the question? Tell me that. Lateral surface area of the cylinder is given. Lateral surface area means what? Curved surface area. What is the formula of curved surface area? 2 pi RH. Now, based on the same topic, so initially we have a cylinder, hollow cylinder, the lateral surface area is given. Now we have cut it along its height. So if I cut it along its height, it will become a rectangular page or rectangular sheet. Okay. So if the lateral surface area is given 4224, that means can I say that area of this rectangular sheet is also 4224? Yes or no? So right, lateral surface area of cylinder equals to lateral surface area of cylinder, or curved surface area also you can write, of cylinder equals to 4224. Curved surface area of cylinder equals to given 4224 centimeter square. That means whenever I will cut it, it becomes a rectangular page or rectangular sheet. That means area of rectangle also. That means area of the rectangle also 4224 centimeter square. Now what is the another information given about the rectangle? Breadth. Width means the breadth here. So that means length into breadth equals to 4224, or length into, in place of breadth we can write 33, that is equals to 4224. Find out the length, that is 4224 by 33. Check it, what is coming by dividing? 11 3s are 128. So the length is coming 128 centimeter. Now the question is asked, what is the perimeter of the rectangle? So perimeter of rectangle, you know. What is the formula to find perimeter of rectangle? So write perimeter of rectangle equals to 2 into length plus breadth, that is 2 into 33 plus 128 centimeter, that is 2 into 161, 322 centimeter. 322 centimeter. Write down the answer separately. That perimeter of rectangle equals to 322 centimeter. Perimeter of rectangle, that is 322 centimeter. Anybody any doubt? Clear? Next, one more thing. Again consider that we have that cylinder. Okay. Now, if I roll the cylinder completely one time, complete one revolution if I do over a space, how much distance or how much area it will cover? Can you say? Yes, exactly same. Means what will be the curved surface area of this cylinder? It will cover exactly that area if it completely roll one time. Isn't it? Clear though? So next write. Next write again one question. Right. A road roller takes 750 complete revolutions, 750 complete revolutions to move once over to level a road, to move once over to level a road. Find the area of the road if the diameter of the road roller, if the diameter of the road roller is 84 centimeter and length is 1 meter, and length is 1 meter. Okay, that is the question. So consider this one as the road roller. So how many revolutions it has taken to complete the road? 750. In one revolution, how much area it covers? Same as its curved surface area. So first what we have to find? The curved surface area of the road roller. Okay. So what are the informations given about the road roller? Diameter given. So what is the diameter given? 84 centimeter. That means radius 84 by 2, that is 42 centimeter. Next, what is the height given? So write height equals to 1 meter, that means 100 centimeter. Now, what is the curved surface area? Find it. Curved surface area of cylinder. What is the formula to find CSA? 2 pi r each. What is the value of pi? 22 by 7. So write 2 into 22 by 7. Radius given 42. Height given height. Unit centimeter square. Right? 7 6 are 42. That means 2 into 22 into 6 into 100. How much it is coming? 26,400 centimeter square. That means, can I say that in one revolution it covers this much of area? And to complete the road, how many revolutions it has done? So to find out the total area of the road, we will multiply this one by 750. So write that in one revolution, it covers 26400 centimeter square area. So in 750 revolution, it covers 26400 into 750 centimeter square area. Now multiply this one, 26400 into 750. So multiply 264 into 75, then we will adjust the zeros. How much? 1940. Then how many zeros? Then 4 zeros. 5 zeros. Centimeter square. Convert this one to meter square. 1980. 1980 meter square. So write therefore area of the road. Write the answer separately. Therefore area of the road (1980 meter square). Anybody any doubt? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Next, one more question. Right. If the radius of a cylinder, if the radius of a cylinder is doubled, and height is halved. Okay, what change will happen in its curved surface area? If the radius is doubled and the height is halved, what change will happen in its curved surface area? Solve it. Think. If the radius is doubled, previously the radius is something, now we have doubled it. Okay. Height is halved. So what will happen in the curved surface area? Think. So let consider that the radius is r. Let the radius be r unit and the height be h unit. So if the radius is r and height is h, then what will be the curved surface area? 2 pi r h. Now what I said, the radius is doubled. So new radius. So what is the new radius? 2 r unit. What is the new height? h by 2 unit. Now what will be the new CSA? 2 pi r becomes 2r, h becomes h by 2. 2 cancel out. Again we have 2 pi r h. So is there any change? So right, the curved surface area will remain same. The curved surface area will remain same. Now if I ask, what will be the change in the same question? What will be the change in the total surface area? If the radius is doubled and the height is halved, so what will be the change in the total surface area? Calculate it. Curved surface area I have done. So what will be the change? It's the same statement. Okay, the radius is doubled, the height is halved. What will be the change in the total surface area? Go for it. Total surface area, can I write it as TSA? Yes. TSA, total surface area. So what is the total surface area? Tell me. Total surface area of cylinder? 2 pi r into h plus r. Now put the changed values, new values. Means in place of r we have to put 2r, in place of h we have to put h by 2. Then calculate it and see what is the change, how much it is increasing or how much it is decreasing. Go for it. Solve. So new radius is 2r, new height is h by 2. So new total surface area will be 2 pi, in place of r it becomes 2r, in place of h it becomes h by 2, and again 2r, that is 4 pi r. Okay, here the LCM is 2, we have h plus 4r, isn't it? Now we can cancel out 2 and this 4, that is 2 pi r h plus 4r. So what do you think, that the total surface area has increased or decreased? Increased. So how much it has increased? How to find? We will subtract this area from that one. Here we have this one unit square. Here also this much unit square. So you are saying that the total surface area has increased. Okay. So how much it has increased? So right, therefore TSA increased by, therefore TSA increased by 2 pi r into h plus 4r minus 2 pi r into h plus r, that is 2 pi r h plus 4 to the 8 pi r square minus 2 pi r h minus 2 pi r square. So 2 pi r h cancel out, 8 pi r square minus 2 pi r square, that is 6 pi r square, that much of unit square. Therefore total surface area increased by 6 pi r square unit or unit square. Understand? Write down the answer separately. Write down the answer. Therefore total surface area increased by 6 pi r square unit or in unit square. Clear? So just compare that the curved surface area remains same, there is no change in the curved surface area, but in case of total surface area it is increasing by 6 pi r square unit, isn't it? Clear? Anybody any doubt up to this? Okay, come to the next question. Right. A closed cylindrical tank of radius 7 meter and height 3 meter is made from a sheet of metal, is made from a sheet of metal. How much sheet of metal is required? How much sheet of metal is required? So closed cylindrical tank, closed, not hollow. Okay, closed cylindrical tank made by a sheet of metal. So you just consider that this is a sheet of metal, maybe. So by this one we are making a closed cylindrical tank like this. Okay, so what we have to find? Total surface area, because it is closed. So write down the informations what are given, then find out the total